Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the background of your WhatsApp application. So let's begin the video. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile and click on the three dots on the top right. You will see the setting option. Click the setting option. Now you can see more options down the menu. Click on the chats. You will see the wallpaper in the second option of the menu. Click on the wallpaper. Now you can see your current wallpaper and down below a change button. Click on the change button. You can see how many amazing options in the menu. If you want to set your own favorite photo, click on My Photos and choose your photo from the gallery you want to set on the background. There are also many other interesting backgrounds. If you click on the bright and dark option, you can see just click on the one you like it. And you can also change the color of your present background by clicking solid colors. If you already set some other photos and you want to remove, just click on the default wallpaper. Your original WhatsApp background will be restored. That's it for today's videos. For more interesting and informative videos, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.